New video. After a small break, now we are returning to coding. Today we are going to analyzing the collision trigger or a normal collision. So for first thing, go to player, our cube, and check that it have a rigid body. Okay, now add a new script and call it collision detach. Okay, we create this script. See that our enemy, the other cube that have the nav mesh agent to follow our player, have the tag target. So go to Visual Studio, open car project is loading, and this script, click R, double click. Okay, now create a new void and call it on collision enter. Okay, with the new Visual Studio it's automate. Now create if collision point game object point tag is the same that, and we put the string not target, sorry, not target, or no, I don't remember, sorry, target. Okay, target, we can destroy our player, because if the player collide with the enemy, the player die. So game object, sorry, without anything else. Okay. Alright. Okay. Save it and see if the games is okay. Verificate that the player have a box collider not trigger now, and the enemy same have a box collider not trigger for the moment. Okay. Click play. Okay, the enemy collide with our player and destroy the player. We can see in the hierarchy that the player isn't visible, so it's destroyed. Now return to Visual Studio and create a new one void, call it on trigger enter. Okay, perfect, collider order. If other point game object point tag is the same that target, we have to, same as the other void, destroy game object. Okay, now return to Unity, click on player. Okay, put selected bull is trigger true, is the same for enemy, on trigger on true. So now return to Unity, go, wait, okay, it collide and destroy our player. So for today is all. Return to not trigger that it's the bull that we are going to use. For today is all. Thanks for the views. Support us on Patreon for download all the files. And bye, and see you in next video. Thanks.